Ready to take your awesome GitHub projects from local glory to global accessibility? Let's dive into the simplest ways to deploy your work online. First, ensure your project is neatly organized in a GitHub repository. This is your central hub for everything. For static websites built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, GitHub Pages is your go-to. Navigate to your repository settings, then find the Pages section. Here, you'll select the branch where your website files reside, usually your main branch or a dedicated Pages branch. Once saved, GitHub will build and host your site, providing a free subdomain. Looking for more advanced features and a smoother deployment experience, especially for dynamic applications, consider platforms like Netlify. Head over to Netlify and click Add New Site. You will then connect it to your GitHub account. Choose the specific GitHub repository you want to deploy. Netlify automatically detects your project's framework and build settings most of the time. Netlify will then automatically build your project and deploy it, providing you with a unique live URL. It also offers continuous deployment, so every time you push new code, your site automatically updates. Beyond these, many other platforms like Vercel, Render, or even cloud providers offer robust deployment options, often with generous free tiers, perfect for showcasing your passion projects. So pick your platform, connect your GitHub repo, and let the world see your coding magic. It's that simple.